most important question is that a coach can ask an athlete, how did that feel? Because how you feel, physically with your body and mentally with your mind and emotionally with your spirit and soul, they all impact the run, and the run impacts your overall running. And these questions remind us.
तेव्हा आपण कृषीवरला थांबलो परंतु आता मी चाललोय पोलिसांच्या पुढे परत चाललोय.
We'll remove the runs that suck. They just happen sometimes. But even those days, the days that suck, that start tough, stay tough, and end tough, even though as a coach to yourself, that we don't tear some metaphysical hole in the universe because of it. Anyway, if we do, we do. And if we don't, well, we have you taking better care of yourself, and the run ends a little better, and you progress a little more, and this world, as far as I'm concerned, is a little better too. So that's the best case scenario. No tear in the fabric of the universe, and you end the run a little better. I'm aware I may be using that term incorrectly, but I'm on a roll, and regardless, it's too late now because I've already committed to the whole metaphysics thing, and we're going to go over some physiological terms like mitochondria. Big time. 26 minutes done. Just over 15 minutes to go. Back in a bit. Anyway, pay attention, students, and teach well, teachers. Okay, back to mitochondria. When you run long, you can build more mitochondria. You'll start to notice these things too as you consistently get that weekly long run in. You'll start to notice that your form is not breaking down as much. And when it does start to suffer, it's later in the run than it used to be. That means the power that you're giving is not being wasted by sloppy form. And that really means that the energy that you're putting out is being used to run better when you're tired. Good news again. Inefficient runners put out energy that gets wasted. And that's really silly. If you're going to work, get paid for it, right? And running efficiently isn't just about maintaining form mentally and physically. It's also about efficiently using fuel. And long runs help train your body to burn fuel better. Long runs also teach your body how to burn fat instead of immediately hitting the carbs that you've stored. We're not the greatest at burning fat, but running long makes us better at it. And if we get better at using and burning our fat to power us during long runs, then we won't rip through our glycogen and carbs until later and later. And that means we last longer and longer.
गोरेच्या चिकनाचे चाललोय. हा नंबर जाणार रोड आहे. अजून वेळ आहे. आपण आलोय आता गोरेगाव चिकनाकडे. आता परत आपण 100 मीटर चिकन काय 100 मीटर चिकन जाणार आहे. बघू शकता. थोडं राहील आता.
minutes, 43 seconds. Beyond your goal. Distance, 7 kilometers. Average pace, 6:57 per kilometer.
पाहू शकता चिकनाकडे पाणी आलो